Aklat ng buhay, may kwento bawat hakbang. Vimiti moments, di lang panglarawan. Vibes trail at tunay na saya. Ito ang buhay, kasama ka. Buhay, buhay na tunay. Di ng kwento, to'y alaala ng tagumpay. Basta't may vibe, may trail, may laban hanggang dulo ng daan.
So, good afternoon. 12:26 na ng tanghali. So ngayon is March 20, Ramadan. Dahil walang pasok at tayo pinayagan ni Mrs. Kuha tayo ng Mrs. Permit. So ride tayo ngayon. Ipupuntahan tayong campsite dito sa may Daraitan, which is Caricos. Caricos yung pangalan. Biglang ano lang to, biglang motocamp after namin ng visit dito sa may kanlungan ng kabataan para dun sa aming gagawing outreach program para sa grupo ng ATV 160 Nation. So mga kasama ko is parang apat lang kami. Ako, si Cap Mark, tapos si Cap Julius, saka si Cap Melvin. So apat lang kami. So kanina pa sila nag-aantay sa may Kilabrubrums. Kasi talaga sa gasolina itong aking motor, 28 na lang per liter. Tropa nating namimitik. Dami nila sa Big C. Tapos Jericho. Motopic. Dami ng bago namimitik ano. So dun sa mga kapwa nating rider na bumabiyahe dito sa Marilake, heads up ko lang kayo, wala nang bibihira na rito nagbibigay ng libre pitik. So almost lahat yan is may bayad na. Siyempre given na rin yun kasi nagagasolina yung mga yan, makain. So choice mo na lang kung kukunin mo yung pitik mo sa kanila. Pero siyempre kung akit ka na Marilake, sa dami na namibitik na yan, pag nakita mo na pinitikan ka, balikan mo, tanong mo yung page para pag uwi mo sa bahay nyo, hindi ka na mahihirapan maghanap pa. Alam mo na kung sino yung photographer na nakakuha ng pitik sa'yo, diba? Yung pinakamabilis na paraan para makita nyo agad yung pitik nyo sa Marilake. Saka pinupost naman yan ng mga pitikero sa iba't ibang page sa Facebook. Nyo siya abangan, or pwede rin i-PM nyo sila directly para mabilis ang transaction, diba? Mostly ano lang naman ang singil nila dyan, 50 yan, 50 per picture. Meron din mas mataas, yung 100. Meron din mga nagvi-video, so yan, mas mataas din yun. Depende na lang talaga sa inyo kung kukunin nyo hindi. Bilang isa rin ako sa namimitik dito sa Marilake. So kakain lang muna pala kami dito sa may sa may Sampalo bago kayo pumasok ng Daraitan. Siyempre mamalengke na rin para sa hapunan namin mamaya, saka almusal para bukas. Ito na yung power grid yan na ano, ng windmill. Wala nang ganong tumatambay dito sa Manukan. Kasi kung makikita nyo, kalbo na. Naputol na yung mga sanga na nagiging silong dati dito sa Manukan. Pinutol kasi yan para maging safe yung pag-travel ng mga LEC or ng mga parts nung windmill na ginagawa dito sa may part ng Devil's Corner. Actually may nakatayo na nga dyan na 3 poste na malalaki. Yan, makita nyo yan sa background. Yan dito, mas malinaw nyo makikita yan dito. Yan, tanaw dito yan. Yan yung background na yan. May 3 poste na nakatayo dyan. Kaya marami putol na sanga kabila ang side nitong Marilaki Highway. Langis yun. After pala natin ang camping na to, mag-PMS na tayo nitong ating ATV. Okay, kailangan natin to change oil, linis pang gilid, palit ng gear oil. Yan, para sa one summer natin. Kasi after ng one summer, meron tayo team building, team outing sa ano naman, sa Nasugbu. Malapit na tayo kay Brew Room. Sigurado nandito na yung dalawa, si Mark saka si Cam Julius. Magkakasama kami yung 3 ni Cap Julius at Cap Mark. So si Cap Melvin is susunod na lang kasi meron tayong naging konting problema. Yung campsite na ating dapat pupuntahan is na fully booked. So scenario, maghanap pa tayo ng campsite dun sa Daraitan. Kaya right out tayo na maaga. Kaya rekta tayo, hindi siya inantay. Kaya sunod na lang natin. Tara. pesos para sa motor. Tapos sa bandang unahan, meron din tayo mabayaran. Halagang ano naman, halagang 20 pesos. So sa pover muna kami rito. May mili kami ng kailangan namin doon sa campsite. Binayaran doon na 10 pesos. Dito haharakin din tayo dito. Kasi dito naman is may babayaran na 20. Dito bago tayo rumekta doon sa taas, parahin tayo rito para magbayad ng environmental fee na 20 pesos per head.
Bawat hakbang, bawat ngiti, bawat landas na alam, bitbit ang pangararap na ating sinimulan. Nahuli sa larawan, sandaling kay ganda, mga alaala, kayamanang sadyang dakila. Mula sa unang ng bati hanggang Hanggang sa huling paalam, tayo'y nabuhay sa ilalim ng bukas na kalangitan. Ito ang mga araw na di malilimutan. Naglalagablak ang pusong may hangarin. Sa luhat tuwa, sabay tayo sa bawat alaala, kwento'y lumalala. Ngiti moments, panahon natin ito. Para ng pag-ibig na iiwan sa mundo. Sumayaw sa ulan, lumipad ang mataas. Simpleng araw, naging dahilan ng galak. Bawat hikaya't luha na dumaan, bahagi ng buhay na kay gandang balikan. Itong mga araw na di malilimutan, naglalagablab ang pusong may hangarin. Sa luhat tuwa, sabay tayo sa bawat alaala, kwento'y lumalala. Ngiti moments, panahon natin ito. Sa larawan at nakikili ito. Di fleeting moments, aalalahanin ngayon kailan.
At dahil may nagvi-video okay, tinanggal na natin yung background music. So nag voice over na lang tayo. So nagsiset up tayo dyan ng ating cot tent at saka cot bed. Yan yung nilalabas ko sa mga bag. Tapos niyaya na tayo ng kabilang cottage. Sabi ko, nag-set up muna kami. So yan. So last time nung unang gamit ko nito, ganito yung set ko. Which is dapat pala ganito. Yan, naka-sat face. Para mag-lock siya. So tara. nakapag-set up na kami dito sa Camp Yolo sa Taraitan, Tanay. Mabuti may nakita agad kami na campsite kasi yung unang campsite na pupuntahan namin is nagpulibok. So ayan, nakapag-set up na si Cap Mark, ayun yung tent niya. Tapos ito si Cap Julius, nakapag-set up na rin.
Kap, yung ano natin, panauwing pandakan.
Tapos yung aming panauhing pandangal is ito. Cap Mel! Ayan na, pawis na pawis. Pawis na pawis na. Hirap ka na ba dyan?
Kinaba, pang ilan yan, init. Parang pangalawang beses pa lang
Ayan,
matatakot ito ah.
Bagong-bago tong tent na to. So, parang pangalawang beses siya pa lang ito nagagamit. Pangalawa pa lang, no?
Oo.
Bakit nalang yung
Una
ano?
sa bulugod.
Sa bulugod. So, yan.
Dala mo ba yung takeable
So,
bed
bihis
mo?
muna tayo.
Sa akin, di ko na
Tapos may mga kasabay tayo rito. Puntahan natin sila. Mga kasabay natin. Mga taga-saan po kayo?
Mandaluyong.
Mandaluyong. Kaya po, mga taga-Mandaluyong. Ito ba sticker po?
Good. Thank you. Thank you, boss.
Mga taga-Mandaluyong sila. So, ayan na po. Ano ba ibig sabihin yung BRC?
Vicencio Riders Club po.
Ayan. Vicencio Riders Club. Shout out, Vicencio Riders Club.
Vicencio Riders
Yan,
Club.
sige.
Guardian.
Sige po, thank you po. So, check natin yung CR nila. Ito yung CR. Yung CR. May shower. Tapos,
Palarin na mamaya.
mga 2 days siguro, 2 days. Ito, shower room. Shower room. Yan, sa kabila siguro yung ano. Tapos meron silang sink. Ito. Ito yung pinaka-comfort room nila. Yan. 3. Ito yung comfort room. 2, 3. Yan. Dahil wala si Cap Noel sa camping natin ngayon, si Cap Julius muna yung ating chef. Ano bang ulutoy natin, Cap?
As usual, adobo.
Adobo yung isa. Itong isa,
Ano yan? Sinigang na manok.
sinigang.
Sinigang sa kalamansi. Na walang gulay.
Puro karne.
Puro karne.
Kaya natin maluto yan.
Ito yung mga umaga para hindi ano yung karne.
Ayan, tapos na kami mag early dinner. Alas 5.
Sa probinsya.
Kasi matutulog na rin kami agad.
Pag dumilim, matutulog na kami.
Pag dumilim, tutulog na kami. Pahinga.
Pahinga talaga.
Para bukas na umaga, fresh tayo.
Para siya biyahe ng aga.
Mas biyahe tayo agad, uwi tayo. Hindi. Nag-early kami ng dinner para makaligo rin kami ng maaga sa iyo. Diba? May pangangin si ano. Para mabawasan,
Dito eh.
para mabawasan din yung hangin mo.
Hindi, maliit yung butas.
Para daw mabawasan yung hangin niya. Yan.
Yan din butas nung unan ko
Wala, hindi tatagal sa kapit.
Woke up with the sun on my face. Packed my bag, I'm out of this place. Boots on the ground, skies up ahead. Nature's the path where my heart gets fed. No signal here, and I don't mind. Just the sound of peace I never find in city streets or neon nights. I'm chasing stars and firefly lights. On the trail again, with the wind as my friend. Every mile feels like home to me. Through the woods and over streams, living wide, chasing dreams. This is where I'm meant to be, wild and free. Laughed out loud at a squirrel's parade. Sketched a cloud in a quiet glade. Drank from springs so cold and clear. Found a piece of myself out here. No maps to hold, just let it flow. The world is big and I wanna know each trail and tale the earth can share, with pine in the air and not a care. On the trail again, with the wind as my friend. Every mile feels like home to me. Through the woods and over streams, living wide, chasing dreams. This is where I'm meant to be, wild and free. Let the rain come, let the sun blaze. I'll dance through it all for days and days and days. Mountains rise and rivers bend, but the journey never ends. On the trail again, with the wind as my friend. Every mile feels like home to me. Through the woods and over streams, living wide, chasing dreams. This is where I'm meant to be. Yeah, this is where I'm meant to be, wild and free. Wild and free. Just you and me on the trail again.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.
Yeah. Oh, a brand new morning, ready for the ride. Verismo beside me, smooth wheels we glide. Camera in hand, our moment set to sail. Road wide and open, our story will prevail. Every corner brings a brand new scene. Writing film, that is the routine.
ayan, hindi na tayo nakapagpaalam kagabi. Gawa ng sa sobrang lamig is nakatulog din kami agad. So ito, breakfast na kami luto kami ng Argentina, noodles. Tapos yan, dumating na rin yung pandesal na in-order namin. So breakfast lang kami, tapos pahinga konti, tapos ligo na kami ulit sa ilog bago kami magligpit para sa break camp namin.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got
already heading to the north. Sunrise inside, a story to unfold. Camera in hand, every moment we keep, turning into memories with every wheel that spins. Roads open doors to every dream. The wind guides the path we take. BNVT on the northern ride, a free heart on a wide and open highway. BNVT on the northern ride, riding film joy always side by side. Every turn tells a new story, every stop shows a brand new view. BNVT on the northern ride, by Vita Breeze, it's a guided night. Clouds of Cordillera reaching high, drawn above the mountains, cold yet sweet. Laughter of friends, no room for fatigue. Places that will never fade, when shared with loyal friends on the way. BNVT on the northern ride, a free heart on a wide and open highway. BNVT on the northern ride, riding film joy always side by side. Every turn tells a new story, every stop shows a brand new view. BNVT on the northern ride.
So yan, pauwi na kami. Time check, alas 12. So pauwi na kami nito. Pero tatamay muna kami kay Bru Bru para magkape. So solid dun sa spot na rin napuntahan natin sa Campion. Yan, medyo malayo siya sa medyo malayo siya sa ilog. Pero ganda nung lugar. Ganda ng CR.
BNVT on the northern ride, cold roads yet this heart burns with